Hello, I'm Mr. Juan and this is Strumming Through the Americas. Today we're going to learn two new chords. The first chord that we're going to learn is called A minor and is the first minor chord that we're learning. It's going to be with your second finger on the fourth string, second fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next chord we're going to learn is E7. E7 is first finger on the first fret, fourth string, second finger on the second fret, third string, and third finger on the first string, second fret. And the diagrams are up there. Let's play one after the other. A minor, E7, A minor, E7. Okay, that's it for today. See you on the next one. Bye bye.